Ever been stuck in a financial bind, needing help with your loans, investments, or banking, and felt like you were navigating a maze just trying to reach someone who could actually help? You're not alone. We've all been there, especially when dealing with large financial institutions. Today, we're tackling a common frustration: contacting SoFi customer service. SoFi, known for its diverse financial products, from student loan refinancing to personal loans and even investing, is a popular choice for many. But what happens when you need support? Finding the right contact information shouldn't feel like a treasure hunt. That's why in this video, we're going to break down all the ways you can get in touch with SoFi's customer support team, ensuring you get the assistance you need, quickly and efficiently. Before we dive into the specific contact methods, let's understand why having accessible customer service is so crucial, especially in the financial world. Your finances are deeply personal and often complex. When issues arise, whether it's a billing question, a problem with your account, or simply needing clarification on a product, you need to know you can reach someone reliable. A responsive customer service team can make all the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major headache. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty: how to actually contact SoFi. SoFi offers multiple channels for customer support, catering to different preferences and urgency levels. First up, and probably the most convenient for many, is their online help center. Think of it as a self-service portal. You can find it on SoFi's website, usually under a help or support section. This online resource is packed with articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides covering a wide range of topics. Before you even try to call or email, it's worth checking this out. You might find the answer to your question in a matter of seconds. They often have articles on common issues like logging in, making payments, and understanding your account statements. If the online help center doesn't provide the solution you're looking for, the next best option is often their phone support. SoFi provides dedicated phone lines for different product areas. This is important to note because calling the right number will connect you to a specialist who is more likely to be able to help you quickly. You can usually find these numbers on their website, often within the Contact Us or Support section. It's always a good idea to have your account information handy when you call, as this will help the representative assist you more efficiently. Now, a quick tip when using phone support: sometimes, especially during peak hours, you might experience longer wait times. If you're not in a rush, consider calling during off-peak hours, like early mornings or late afternoons. You can also sometimes see estimated wait times on their website or automated phone system, which can help you decide when the best time to call is. Another popular method of contact, especially for less urgent matters, is email. SoFi provides email addresses for specific inquiries. Again, it's important to find the correct email address for your specific need, whether it's related to loans, investing, or general account questions. Sending your email to the right department will ensure it reaches the right team and gets a faster response. When sending an email, be clear and concise in your message. Clearly state your issue, provide relevant details like your account number and any other information that might be helpful. This will help the customer service representative understand your situation quickly and provide a more effective response. In today's digital age, many companies also utilize social media for customer support. While SoFi's primary focus for support remains their website, phone, and email channels, they do maintain a presence on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. These platforms can be a good way to get quick updates or ask general questions. However, for sensitive account information or complex issues, it's always best to use the more secure channels like phone or email. Avoid sharing personal or financial information on public social media platforms. Now, let's talk about a few best practices for contacting any customer service, including SoFi. First, be prepared. Before reaching out, gather all relevant information, such as your account number, any relevant dates, and a clear description of the issue you're facing. This will streamline the process and allow the customer service representative to assist you more effectively. Second, be polite and patient. Remember that the person on the other end is there to help you. Even if you're frustrated, maintaining a calm and respectful demeanor will lead to a more productive conversation. Third, take notes. If you're speaking with someone on the phone, jot down their name, any reference numbers they provide, and the key points of the conversation. This can be helpful if you need to follow up later. Fourth, if you're not getting the resolution you need, don't be afraid to escalate the issue. Ask to speak to a supervisor or manager. Sometimes, a fresh perspective can help resolve a complex problem. Fifth, document everything. Keep records of emails, phone calls, and any other communication you have with customer service. This documentation can be invaluable if further action is needed. Now, a common question people have is about the best time to contact SoFi. As mentioned earlier, avoiding peak hours, typically during lunch breaks and late afternoons, can often result in shorter wait times. Checking SoFi's website or social media for any service alerts or planned maintenance can also help you avoid contacting them during times when support might be limited. Let's quickly recap the main ways to contact SoFi customer service: their comprehensive online help center, their dedicated phone lines for different product areas, their email support, and their presence on social media platforms. By utilizing these channels effectively and following the best practices we discussed, you can ensure a smoother and more efficient experience when seeking support from SoFi. Remember, having access to reliable customer service is a crucial part of managing your finances effectively. Knowing how to reach SoFi's support team will empower you to resolve any issues quickly and confidently, allowing you to focus on your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.